everyone and welcome. My name is Reshma and I will be your instructor in this course. I have a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Science and have worked as a software developer in Java and related technologies for more than 15 years. So who can take this course? Anyone. Yes, I really mean it. Anyone can take this course. So if you're looking for a career change but have no programming background and are afraid to take the plunge, or if you are a programmer experienced in some other technology and are looking to switch to Java, or if you are a tester who wants to gain some basic understanding of what Java is and how Java programs work so that you are not lost when developers start talking in geeky language. Well, you have come to the right place because this course is exactly for you. So what will you achieve at the end of this course? So you will learn Java syntax and semantics and have a very good understanding of the Java language. You will be able to write your own Java code. You will be able to attempt Java interviews. You will be able to participate in real-world Java projects. So what does this course cover? This course starts at the very beginning and assumes that you have no prior Java knowledge. It first teaches you how to install the software that you will need in order to write Java code. It then goes on to cover basic programming constructs in Java like data types, variables, control statements, among other topics. It then covers object-oriented aspects of Java like classes, constructors, inheritance, and so on. Finally, it covers slightly advanced topics like string class, exception handling, and collection framework. So how is this course different? So in this course, I have attempted to explain each concept in easy to understand language. I have provided code samples at the end of each lecture. My focus has been not to cover each topic superficially, but to give a deep understanding of each topic. At the same time, I've taken care not to overdo it and drown students with too much information. So don't wait. Go ahead and enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a top-notch Java developer. I hope to see you on the other side of the course. Thank you.